Fear of losing your home to a wildfire is now a reality for many. I'm Dylan Foreman covering your community in Pismo Beach, where locals tell me they're now worried about home insurance coverage if a wildfire were to hit the Central Coast. The what if it happens here question is on people's minds as the Los Angeles area fires have displaced thousands of people from their homes.
Unfortunately, we have several clients whose homes are completely gone, and just trying to walk them through the claims process.
Brett Womack, an insurance broker in Grover Beach, says the sad reality is that many insurance companies are canceling their homeowners policies throughout the state because of risks like the wildfires.
Carriers are writing less and less in California, and so you're left with very few options.
But there are some things you can do. Womack says if you own your home outright, you can self-insure or conduct risk mitigation on your home if you are in a severe fire area to help discount your homeowner's premiums. That's something longtime realtor Ashley Boyer says is important for her own home on a hillside in Pismo Beach, an area that can be prone to wildfire.
When I'm thinking about my own home and I'm looking at those Palisades homes, I'm thinking about what do we need to do to clean up.
Boyer, the CEO of the Pismo Beach Homes Group with Keller Williams, says that they are looking into insurance options for their clients way before they even purchase a home.
We start the process of asking if that property is insurable way before, even before you're really even under contract.
Even with limited options for coverage, Womack, Boyer, and local farmers insurance agent Scott Otrosky says there is a last resort of getting coverage through the California Fair Plan, which provides basic property coverage.
All insurance professionals by law are required to exhaust all of their markets to find home insurance. And then if that doesn't work out, then we can all broker through and write a policy through the California Fair Plan.
Additionally, Womack advised homeowners to keep a list of items and their value on hand in the event of an emergency so that you can be reimbursed by your insurance company for full value. For ways to protect your home from potential wildfires, you can visit the CAL FIRE website for more details, or if you have questions regarding your insurance coverage, reach out to your insurance agent to figure out the best option for you. In Pismo Beach, I'm Dylan Foreman, KSBY News.